Hello and welcome to my channel. At the beginning of the year, I purchased the Thule-a-Port Aero J-Rack roof system for my kayaks, and I kind of went through how to install them and everything on my other video, but I'm just going to go through a quick review and some of the features that it has, and just what I kind of thought about it after using it for pretty much the full summer. So here's the system right here. It is all T-rack systems. So over here, so on the Thule brand side, it'll fit the wing bar, the aero bar, the slide bar, and also if it's a square, if you have the square one, there is an adapter that you can get for that, so it would work. It also fits other brands. I have it on the Elevate rack system, which works very well with it, and I'm sure there's other brands that also would do the same. So just do a little bit of research before you do that. And I'll just jump in the back of my truck right now and just go through some of the features. It's kind of funny because I had all summer to actually do this. I've been putting this video off, and I wait till the coldest, one of the coldest days of the year in November. But anyways, I'll still go through them. So one of the features is the quick folding system, which is really good. So it's pretty much you just pull this and pull that down, and then there you go. So when you don't have your kayak, you throw that down and it stays there. So to bring it back up, you just press that button and there you go. That is the folding system. There's others. We had another one, and you have the big nuts on the side and you can loosen them, and this is just a lot better and a lot quicker. So the other feature is the durable rubber that's on the bottom and on the top side here. So what I noticed when I threw my kayak on here, it actually holds it in place too, so it doesn't slide, and it holds it very well. So the other thing that I wanted to mention is it seems to have the perfect tilt. I noticed on other J-Rack systems that my kayak would always want to kind of tip over. This one here, you can throw it up here, take your time, get your straps ready, and that works really good. So the other feature that I want to talk about is the strap catch, which I also like. So what you do is you kind of just throw your strap through here, and then to kind of hold your strap there while you're throwing your kayak up there, and then you can throw this over. Okay. Another feature that it has is the theft resistant. Every single one of them has a different key. So you turn the key, this pops open, and then if I take the phone, and then here are the nuts. So if you ever want to take them off, you just kind of flip this up here, and then you turn it, and it just pops off very easily. So they're very easy to install and very easy to remove. So for now, I'm going to do that later on today and take them off. So I just put that back down, and there you go, it's locked. Shut that, turn the key, and nobody's getting in unless they really want to. Well, that's my quick review on the Thule-a-Port Aero J-Rack system. I think it's great. It's probably one of the better racks I've ever had, and a little on the pricier side, but definitely worth it. If you want to see how to put your kayak up on there, when I did the installation for these, I did throw my kayak up on there, and you can watch that video. I'll put that at the end of the video, so if you want to go to that one and watch that, and then you can do that. Well, to date, I have no issues with this rack. I think it's great, and I definitely do recommend it. So hopefully this helps anybody in making a decision on what kind of rack they would need for their vehicle, and that is it. Till the next video.